Hello everyone and welcome to the very first app demo on the App Inventor Quick Demo Guides. And I'm going to click New Project and I'm going to say My First App. And this is going to be the first walkthrough of a complete app being created on App Inventor. So basically I want two things on the screen. I want a label, which is just really a text holder, and then a button, which I'm going to use as my action. So I'm going to click the text label and I'm going to rename it straight away. This is a great habit to get into. I'm going to say main label so I know which one that is. And then button one, I'm going to say go button. Go button. Now since I just had two, I probably could have kept it straight in my mind. It's a great habit to get into, naming them straight away, because if I had 15 buttons, I wouldn't know what button 7 was. I would totally forget which one it was. So it really helps out a lot. I'm going to highlight main label. Let's bring up the font size. Let's make it at least 24. That way I can see it. And the text for label one, I'm going to say not clicked. So now it says not clicked, and my width, I'll make it fill parent, which means it will take up the screen, and then the text alignment center, it'll be center of the screen, and the component will take up the screen because I said width fill parent. And the parent here is just the entire screen. I'm going to click the button now. Let's make it a little bigger as well. Let's make it 20. And let's make it its width fill the parent as well. Sure. Let's make the background color just maybe dark gray, and the text color white. Now I want the text to say, let's just make it say go. So that's all I'm going to do in the design view, and now I'm going to click over to the blocks view and I'm going to do just a few things. Basically in the blocks view I want to design a behavior that will change the label when I click the button. So when I click the button, when go button.click, to get here I just clicked on my components under screen 1. I have a go button, and since the go button click block has to do with the go button, that's where I found it. And basically I want to put something right here that's just going to change what's in the label. So I'm going to click here on main label, and I want to set main label, which is the correct component, dot property. So it's always component name dot property. I don't want to change the background color, I don't want to change the font size, I don't want to change the height. You'll probably notice if I click back to designer view that it's most of these properties that I can change actually. I can change them over here in the blocks view because I can change them sort of dynamically. But basically I eventually want to set main label.text. I want to change the text field of the main label, or in other words the actual text that is in the main label. I want to set it to, and then I need a blank text box, and I find that under built-in text this is just a text field. And I'm going to type in click. And that's it. And that's all I will have to do whenever this app is actually running. The go button, whenever you click it, it will set the main label text to then be clicked. And that's all I'll have to do. If you didn't believe me, this is the app running in the emulator right here. And our label says not clicked, and I have a go button. And we click the go button, and it just changes our label to say clicked. And that's all. Thanks for watching.